simple. All you need to do is you just go to your Play Store. Okay, you go to Play Store, you just search for Royal Q. Okay, and when you search that, you will get the link over here. This is where you can download the app. Okay, for Apple users, so iOS users, you can do the same thing. You'll be able to find the app. So once you have already got the app, what you need to do is down here, guys. Okay, you click register now. So let's click it. So you can key in your email. You can create a password to log in. And the password here, guys, don't have to be same as your Binance password, okay? Just create a new password. Then you request for a code, which will come to your email. And here, if you have a friend who introduce you, you can use their referral code to key in over here, okay? And then you agree to the terms and conditions and you click register. Once you have already done that, once you register, what will happen is you will come to this page. This is where you can log in into your account, okay? So let me log in back into my account. Once you register, you can use your email and your password to log in inside, okay? So once you come in, guys, this is what you will see over here. So when you go to this one up here, API binding, this is where you will do the binding to bind your bot to your Binance, okay? I'll show you all that later. Here, the second place is where you look at your revenue, your income that you have made on a daily basis. Here, you can see all the transactions that the bot has done, the buy and selling in your Sun. And then when you want to invite your friends, your referral code will be here, okay? Below here, you can go through this entire thing here, the course, to learn more on quantitative courses and also using the help to see how the bot works and everything. Okay, and then down here is, of course, home, to come back to this page. Second here is quantitative trading, where this is where you go and trade. If you know, if you have a bit of knowledge in trading, then this is where you go. You can choose up to 50 coins. I will show you later. If let's say you don't have any knowledge in trading, then you go to here, Circle. What is Circle? Circle is a copy trade feature that the bot allows you to copy traders who have been trading here for the last 2 or 3 years. You can look at their results, how much percentage they make over these years. And if you choose, you can follow them, okay? And then, of course, here you have news. All your transactions, messages will be coming in. And then for personal settings, you can go down here, okay? So before we go to all the personal settings, let me just show you the first thing about is how to do, how to bind, okay? So for binding, when you click the orange button just now, guys, you'll be able to see Huobi and Binance and Huobi, okay? Best part, guys, if you got account in Binance and also Huobi, you can connect both of your accounts to one bot, right? That means one bot works in 2 accounts for you, okay? Helps you to do trading in 2 accounts, okay? That's the best part. Now, in order, I'm just going to show you how to do the Binance binding, okay? So we will click on Binance. So what happens over here is you need to get the API key, the secret key, and of course you click the verification code, which will come to your email. And then you click, I've agreed to the risk notice carefully. And then you click bind, the bot will bind. So where do you get this information? Let's go back to our
Binance.
Let's go back to Binance, yeah? So I go into Binance. Now, for those of you all first time register Binance, right, you will see your Binance account looking like this. When first time you download the app from Play Store or App Store, you will see that your app looks like this, okay, where you only have this wallet and everything. So what you need to do is you need to click this human sign over here, okay, up here, this avatar here. You click this one. And then, of course, you need to do your verification of your account. You need to upload your IC or your ID and everything. So once your account is verified, it's better. Okay. Then can you see this Binance light over here? You need to off this light. Okay. So by offing this light, what happens? You will go from the light version to the pro version. Okay. You need to go into the pro version. So once you come to the pro version, you can see all these deposit buttons and everything here, right? So all you need to do is you click on more, okay? You click on more, and then you go all the way below, and you'll be able to find API key over here. So you click on this API key button. Okay. And then you create an API. You can create over here. You key in a name. You just key in Royal Q, and then you click on Create API. The minute once you have done that, it will ask you to do some verification. One SMS will come to your phone. You will get an email verification. You just key in everything. Then you'll be able to get this API key. Okay. So you can see the first word here, API key. You just copy, click the copy button here. Then you do what? You go back to our Royal Q and you paste over here. You paste the API key over here. Okay. Then you go back to your Royal Q, your Binance. You click on the arrow over here. Okay. You click on the arrow. You'll be able to find secret key. Now, your secret key will be a few numbers over here. Mine is hidden now because of I already set it up. But normally, you show a few numbers. You need to manual copy it. And once you have copied it, you go to Binance back. Royal Q back. And then you key in, you paste the key over here. Okay. Once you have done that, you click request for verification code, which Royal Q will send you an email code. Key in the code. Select to the, agree to the, I have read the terms and conditions or the notice carefully, click on bind. So binding done. Now, very important guys, when you're doing binding is you look at the settings below here, guys. This is very important. What is the API restriction? So the bot is only allowed to read and allowed to do spot trading. The others should not be ticked, okay guys? So some people go tick all. So you get all these. So you don't have to enable withdrawal because you don't want anybody third party to access your withdrawals, right? So if you want to enable this all, you send me your secret key. Then I will go in and take your money, okay? Just kidding, okay? But what I'm trying to say is, this one all make sure that it's not ticked, okay? It should not be ticked. Only these two should be ticked, okay? Once that's done, you are safe to start your trading. That means the bot has already bind. Okay, now
bro, that one should be a default setting, right?
Yeah, default setting.
Okay.
That means the settings here, don't disturb anything else. Normally, guys, when you request for it, this one comes, this is how it comes. Don't do any other settings, okay? Just leave it that way. Just double check that this one is off, okay? Okay, now we go back to our Royal Q, okay? So once you've done that, you click bind, you'll be able to see it will change to orange color like this. That means the binding has been successful, okay? So once that's done, once you've already bind the bot, next you will do what is, you need to activate the bot, okay? In order to activate the bot, okay, the bot you need to go here. You go to mine, okay? You go to mine, okay, clear. Click on mine, okay. Now, when you come to mine, you'll be able to see, guys, that you have all the settings over here, okay? Now, the first thing here is up here, you can click on this arrow here to put in your name, maybe a nickname or something. You can check your email. If you want, you can put a picture also, no problem, okay? After that, what happens is, here, the first one, okay, is professional edition. If you want, you can choose to go into professional edition. When you go into professional edition, you have few other coins will be added to your trading, but those coins come with risk. So when you go for additional professional edition, they will ask you to agree to some terms and conditions, okay? So that means they add in some more coins that are very volatile in the market, okay? But my suggestion, if you are new, don't play with this, okay? Just go for the basic edition, okay? And then you have, of course, you can check again your binding from here and all that. Now, if you want to contact the administrator, you click on Royal Q feedback. You can straight away chat with the administrator. If you got any questions or what, in English, they will reply you normally within 10-15 minutes, okay? Now, of course, when you go in, there's a bot, but once you start to type, there is a real person who will communicate with you, okay? Now, so once you already done the API binding everything, what you need to do, you need to click on asset, okay? Now, this bot, guys, comes with a payment of USD $100 for a year, okay? It's a yearly subscription. So USD $100 for a year, Okay, so every year you can just renew it. Okay, plus you need to keep about USD $20 in your wallet. So what you need to do is you need to buy USDT, which is USD currency, dollar to dollar. You need to buy $120. Okay. Okay, why you buy 100? Once you buy the $120 in Binance, okay, you buy it in Binance, guys. You need to transfer it over here. So you click on asset. Okay, you click on asset and then you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you will get this address. So you click copy address. Once you have copied the address, all you need to do is go back to your Binance. Okay, now we are on the Binance already. Let me go back. Okay, go to your wallet, because the USDT is there, right? Go to your wallet, and here you can see the USDT balance over here. So you just have to click on redraw and paste the address. Okay, this one. So once you get the USDT in your Royal Q, you'll be able to see it up here like this. So you just have to go back, and here there will be an activation button. You just click activation. Of course, for mine now shows renew, but if you click activation, they will minus off USD $100 from your account that you top up this now. The balance USD $20 will remain in your trading account, guys. For what? Remember I told you earlier, the bot has a 80-20 profit sharing. Okay, so every profit the bot makes for you, it takes 20%. Of course, the 20% you cannot take from your Binance. Remember just now the setting I showed you cannot withdraw from Binance. So what happens over here is the bot will minus that commission each time when a trade is successfully closed in Binance. The profits already sitting in your Binance account, the bot will minus its 20% from here. So this place, this one, you should regularly check this place. So this wallet to see, make sure that you have some money sitting inside here. Don't keep a lot here, guys. 10-20 US dollars, and then regularly you just top it up. It's good enough. Remember one thing: if you keep $20 here, meaning the bot has to make a profit of 100 USD for you in Binance in order for this $20 to be finished. Correct? So that's the thing here. So you can top up regularly, no problem. Now, so once you have that, you'll be able to start to trade. Now, one question people ask me, hey, what happens if I forget to top up this one? I forget to top up. So basically, this one is actually another name for this is they call it fuel. Okay, fuel also known as petrol, right? So, example, our car today, if suddenly we're driving somewhere, your car has no petrol, what happens?
Stop.
It gets stopped, right? So then you pour petrol, it starts to move. Please don't tell me your car is electric car, because I know some people are telling you, my car is electric, bro, no petrol can drive. I know, okay, this is just an example, guys, okay? So basically, for the bot also same. When there is no fuel, the bot cannot work. But it will just stop for temporary. The minute you top up the fuel, the bot will start to work as normal. But just make sure, guys, always this fuel has funds over here so that the bot can continuously make profit for you, okay? Now, this is for people who want to trade themselves. Next, we are going to go to the place where, Circle. Circle is going to be very fast because it's copy trade. So when you click on Circle, guys, you can see there's many traders over here, okay? So I'm going to pick one or two traders just to show you, okay? The first one, we click Crypto Bull. Now, this person has traded and made 3,000%. Now, guys, as I told you, Royal Q was introduced to Malaysia last 2 months. Do you really think that last 2 months this guy can make 3,000%? It's impossible. So this is a guy from China, and he has been trading with Royal Q, I think easily for the last 1 year or 2 years, guys. Okay, so he made 3,000%. If you came to follow him, you click on this one. Click on the percentage. Then you can see all the coins that he has traded before. If you're okay, I cancel first. Okay, if you're okay, you click Sync Strategy. Now in Sync Strategy, you can select how many coins you want to follow. So let's say I put $10. Let's say I want to follow 1 coin. Now in here, what happens, guys? Remember I told you 100% profit, 20% goes to bot, 80% goes to you. But now, when you use this service, 100% profit, you will the bot will take 20%. This guy will take 0.5%. So your net profit will be 79.5%. Okay. So this is profit sharing. You need to share some profit with this guy. Who are these people? These people are traders who day and night sit in front of the computer to trade. So you follow them, they get some profit sharing, and they will decide when to buy, when to close, what coin to buy. So you cannot decide which coin also. They will decide. Okay. So you can choose to follow. In this case, let's say I want to follow. I click on Sync Strategy. Okay. Now the bot has already set. If I go back to my home, you can see that the bot has already, actually, this one, actually my trade already earlier going on one, okay? Going on earlier. And you can see that the coin has been trading over here, XRP. Can you see the word here, Sync Strategy? So the bot is trading. Here cycle, here one shot. So this is my personal trading. This and this is personal trading. This is copy trade. Copy trade. CT, yeah, copy trade, okay? So copy trade is very simple. You can choose any of it. To know more, I just show you transaction here. So every transaction that we have done on the bot, it shows. See, I bought BTC manual just now. I bought ADA, XRP, Swan, and then the profits you make. So where the profits are coming from, you can see. See, all green, guys. You can see red, okay, guys. You see red, Now this is a loss. But can you see the word over here? Manual sell. This one, I myself sell. Just I was doing a demo that day, last presentation. So that time I clicked on this and we had a loss over here. But this is a loss that I did myself. The bot will never do a loss for you because remember what I told you earlier, the bot only makes money when you make money, guys. Okay.